Hello Year 1, we're now on lesson 3 and it's called counting in tens and ones. So the first thing I want you to look at are these chocolates. Delicious chocolates. And can you tell me how many chocolates you think you can see in this picture? All of these together. How many chocolates? Have a little look. I'll give you a little bit of time to have a look. How many chocolates do you think there are? Don't eat any. I hope you're not eating too many chocolates. And have you eaten all your Easter eggs? Delicious. Okay, I wonder if you can see, do these chocolate boxes of chocolates look like anything familiar we've looked at before? Is it similar to anything we've done before? How are they arranged? How are they arranged if we look at the different groups? That's right, you've said it. I heard somebody say it. They're arranged like our 10 frame. The box of chocolates are in, they've got 2 chocolates, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Or we've got 5 along the bottom because we remember that 5 is half of 10. 2 5s make 10. Double 5 is 10. We've got 5, 10. And in our box of chocolates we've got 5 there, 5. So how many chocolates are there all together? Let's count. We've got 1 box, 2 box, 3 boxes. 10 in each chocolate. So how many 10s are there? There's 1, 2, 3 10s. And 3 10s are, I can hear you say 30. So we have 10, 20, 30, 2 left over. 1, 2. So count on 30 and 2 is 32. And it says here, there are 32 chocolates. Now, what does the digit 3 in 32 stand for? And what does the digit 2 in the 32 stand for? Let's see if I can make 32 with my number cards, my place value cards. There's my 3 for the 30. And there's my 2 for the 30, for the 2 ones. So I've got 32. What does the 3 stand for? 3 watts. 3 what have I got? That's right, 3 lots of 10. Remember, because it's like 30, it's the 30 and 2, but we take the 0, we don't need that there. When we put it together, 3 10s, so the 3 in that number is 30, and the 2 is 2 1s, 32. Let's learn. Now, we can use our blocks, sticks and cubes. We can use these to show 32. Do you remember how many sticks have I got in my hand? 1. But how many little cubes make up that stick? It's 10. So this is 1 10. And there's 1 little unit. So in the picture here, it shows you how to make 32. See if I can do it with my Dean's blocks. So I've got 1 stick, 2 sticks, 3, 10, 20, 30. I can put those together. I can leave them apart. It doesn't matter. It still stays 30. And 2 little ones, 2 little yellow cubes, and I've got 1, 2, 32. So I've got 32. Now I can show 32 on a place value chart, and here is my place value chart. Here it is. On my place value chart, I've got 10s in this space here, in this column, and 1s in here. I've just made it from a piece of paper and stuck the colours on the top to match my cards. Perhaps you could make one at home as well. And I can show 32 on here because I've got 3 10s, it's the same colour, 3 10s, which are my 3 sticks, my 3 10 towers, 3 10 towers, 1 2 3, 3 lots of 10, and my 2 ones, my 2 units, and I can put my 2 in there, and there I've got the number 32. So my 30 is the same as 3 10s. This is what she's saying. 30 is the same as 3 10s, and 2 is the same as 2 1s. Let's have a look on the next page. Perhaps you could have a go at doing this at home. See if you can have a number. Perhaps you can use something instead of the sticks, or perhaps you could use some counters or different things. Can you show these numbers by making them and then putting them together? Can you show 21, 24, 30, 35 and 36, and can you write those numbers on a place value chart? There's a little challenge. Let's have a look at the guided practice. We're going to, it says count in 10s and 1s. So I'm going to get my place value chart ready, and I'm going to put the numbers into my place value chart. Here we go. We've got 2 lots of 10, 2 lots of 10, so I need a 2 for my 10s because I've got 2 lots of 10. Then in my 1s I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. Take them out and I can put my 5 1s in there, and I've got 25, and it says here 25 equals or is the same as how many 10s? How many 10s did we have in the picture? How many on my place value chart? It was 2, so 2 lots of 10s. 25 equals is the same as 2 lots of 10s, and how many 1s? How many 1s did I have here? 5. I've got 5 in the 1s, so my 5 goes there. So 25 is the same as equals 2 10s, and 5 1s. Let's have a look at this one. Let's look at this picture here. I've got 1, 2, 3 10 sticks. There they are. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4 little cubes. I'll show you the picture. That's what they look like. That's the things that we were using at school, the equipment. There's our 4 1s. So we've got the number here all together as, tells us here, 34. Let's have a look. Let's see if we can split it up into 10s and 1s. So how many 10s sticks did we have? How many? 1, 2, 3. So 34 is how many 10s? That's 1 10, 2 10, 3 10. So I put my 3 in my place value chart. 3 10s, and how many 1s have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, and I have my 4 1s into my place value chart, and I've got the number 34. 3 10s, 4 1s. Have a go at worksheet 3, pages 7 to 10, and have fun.